is short range weather type. And next is introduction. Weather forecast is the prediction of atmosphere for the given location. Weather forecast is a science and technology that predicts the atmosphere, what will be happening in future or next few hours.
एक मिनिट थोडा आवाज झाला की त्यांच्याकडे पण पाहून त्यांना पण सांग म्हणजे ते लोक जे बोलत आहेत ना त्यांचं लक्ष नाही.
बेटा आप यहाँ खड़े हो ना, जितने भी
हाँ।
बच्चे, उनका आई कांटेक्ट उधर
हाँ।
नहीं, ऑडियंस को
हाँ,
रखिए,
उनको बताइए।
राइट? अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा, सामने आइए।
हाँ।
Like we see that every location have different temperature and humidity and wind speed. Third is barometer, radar and thermometer are used to collect data for weather prediction. Like barometer is used to check atmosphere pressure, and thermometer is to measure the temperature, and radar is to check the location and wind speed. And fourth is the data is collected from the temperature humidity sensor called DHT11 sensor. We collected data from sensor DHT11 that sends or collects our data like temperature and humidity. Fifth is accurate weather forecasting information is useful in people and travel is safe. We faces condition, but it is very harmful when something suddenly happen, or then it will be very difficult to secure our property. Next slide will be continued by location.
The main aim of this project is to provide as accurate as possible prediction of the weather that will be like in near future, and the next aim is to make applications as easy to use and user interface should be in proper manner. The next is objectives. The objective is first to determine how atmosphere involves in the future. The next one is to run the application on the low resource requirement. Means it has a simple user interface and it can be used on the low resources. Turn the slide. After that, the slide contains problem statement. First problem statement is forecasts are never completely accurate. Means atmosphere always changes time by time. Means it has a different temperature, humidity, pressure as the time is going on. So the next one is it can be time consuming to give the updates of the weather. It can take some time. After that, third one is resource intensive. Means we need a resource to use this application. After that, provide critical information about the future weather. The next slide will be continued by Harshita Goel.
This is the research paper that we prepare for information to enhancing our project. The author of the first research is Jayashree Das, published on July 2020. The title of the research is a real-time weather analysis and prediction. That states that the system deals with the monitoring weather and climate like changes like temperature, weather, humidity and wind speed. Second one is the author of the research is Maurice Whiston, and it published on April 28, 2018. It states that this enters atmosphere observation measurement of initial condition and computer based on the modeling to provide a practical means to predicting weather changes. Next will be continued by Vasanth.
Weather forecast is the application of science and technology that deals with atmospheric contents with location and time. Our project collects information about atmospheric changes regarding future and same time that showcase humidity in the air, pressure in the air, temperature and wind speed. We have used an API key from OpenWeatherMap website to get our data. API key is an application programming interface which works on client-server structure. Client sends query to the server and the server then returns back to the client the query for which we have asked for. The data we collect from API key as described first, the humidity, temperature, wind speed, etc. The data we collect is about 95% accurate as weather keeps changing. Coming to the next point, we have used less animation in our project as many systems have low system requirements, so we have not used animations in our project. We have used pictures which will showcase the temperatures, humidity as we have searched for. Our project will not require your device location permission as hackers and many pre-existing weather applications can misuse your locations in terms of they can track you where you are going, etc. So to work on this, we have our project has a search bar that you will enter the location into it that you are searching for, and it will show you the temperature. Next slide will explain the part.
So resource required for our project is software required is for programming we require Python 3.1 and Python IDLE. This required for programming, and in hardware we require processor i3 11th generation because it's low, and memory we require is 512 SSD memory, and minimum RAM we require is 4 GB. And computing we is that weather forecast is increasingly accurate and useful. It is user friendly and it's across economically. While much has been accomplished in improving weather forecast, we have improved many changes to our application, and there are remains some room for improvement. If we want any changes, in future we want any update, so it can be changes. Next slide.
It was a quite nice project which was on the weather forecasting. Yes.
So let's move to the next group, and the next I would like to call group number 6 and present their presentation.
4. Leave it as group 4.
So I would like to call group number 4 to present their presentation. 4 का PPT आया है. 6 का list.
They are present.
प्रेजेंट ना यही है ना ठीक है
Sorry for inconvenience. So I would like to call group number 4 to present their presentation.
group 6
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you belongs to group number what is your group 4 है
4 and we are
group number 6 का ready है
group number 6 available.
yes
Please come.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Vaishnavi Karadwajde. We are from semester 6 and we are presenting a seminar on welfare schemes of government under the guidance of Professor K.T. Khobragade ma'am. And my team members are Premjit Mohor, Krunal Helonde, Kaveri Gana and Ansh Hedau.
मैंने दिख रहा
और एक चीज ध्यान दो बेटा, प्रेजेंटेशन देने में यहाँ सामने दो और उधर देख के दो. ठीक है, उधर किसको दे रहे हो? अच्छा मैम, ओके मैम को दे रहे हो. ओके उधर देखो.
These are some program outcomes that are mapped in our project. We gain some basic knowledge and discipline knowledge through this project. We improve our communication skills through this project. We follow some rules and regulations that is called as ethics in our project. And we improve our communication skills and we learn how to coordinate with teams. And last few map is lifelong learning. Then next. These are some contents which we are going to explain further one by one. So first will be our abstract. There are various schemes provided by Indian government. There are various schemes provided by Indian government. First, recent schemes are Stand Up India. First, recent scheme are Stand Up India. This scheme is beneficial for financial benefits of women and avail themselves about bank loan from 1 lakh to 1 crore in manufacturing sector. There are various institutions established in Indian. There are various institutions established in India.
बेटा ये लास्ट वार्निंग दे रहा हूँ, अभी जो भी बात करते हुए दिखा उसको यहाँ लाऊंगा मैं सबके लिए, सेकंड ईयर हो फाइनल ईयर हो, ये लास्ट वार्निंग है। मुंह से कोई अभी चूचा निकालो ही मत, ठीक है? कंटिन्यू।
So our first will be abstract. There are various schemes provided by Indian government. For recent schemes are Stand Up India. This scheme is beneficial for the benefits of women and avail themselves about bank loan from 10 lakh to 1 crore in manufacturing sector. And there are various institutions in Indian. There are various institutions established in Indian government like Federation of Indian Entrepreneurs and etc. It will, in this web portal, it will provide all the government schemes and you can apply easily. Next slide will be explained by Premji.
My name is Premji Kumar. My next topic, introduction slide. Welfare schemes are important. Welfare schemes are launched by Indian government. To address the social and economic welfare, schemes played a crucial role in solving many social and economic problems. In 2020, a relief package worth ₹1.70 crore was announced by the Indian government due to the COVID-19 breakout. On Feb 1, 2021, the Finance Minister of India released the Union Budget 21-22 and made new announcements like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and Atal Pension Yojana. Next. This year the government has announced the Atmanirbhar package amounting to rupees 27.1 lakh crore. It also contributes a significant figure to the gross domestic product, sustainable agriculture, essential for holistic rural development. Next slide is aim and objective. The aim of this system, an online web portal for the general public, especially for villagers. Objectives are, the main objective of this portal is easy to understand details of scheme. It provides an easy and efficient way to access a scheme, improve the efficiency and effectiveness, to gain knowledge about schemes provided by the government. Next slide will be explained by Kaveri.
My name is Kaveri Kana. So the next slide is all about the problem statement. In earlier website that some people cannot found their details and not able to apply for this scheme. So in this website we are developing the application for public, especially for the villagers who don't know about the schemes provided by the government and they don't know how to apply for that. So we are providing complete schemes provided by the government and public can easily apply for that. Next slide is about the literature survey. So first author is Wharton and Brunetto in 2007. In their studies, knowledgeable W.E. Skip and I on welfare schemes of government. to provide a links for their business. They also revealed that government does not given proper advertisement about the schemes for entrepreneur women. Next is Singh and Bewa in 2008. According to their study, they revealed that government may formulate different strategies and plans for WEs, but there are gap between intent and execution. The third is Rizvi and Gupta in 2009. Government supported advancement activities help only the urban people and middle class female members due to the lack of education of villages female. Last is Brinda Kalyani in 2010. She point out that the majority of small scale entrepreneurs are aware about the financial schemes provided by the government. From this problem statement, we found out that this website is benefits for urban people, not for the villagers. So from our website, we are providing schemes provided by government. Next slide will be explained by Kunal.
My name is Kunal Vilonde. This slide is about methodology. In this practical, we are providing national and state level welfare scheme. The customer need to register on their web portal to see their to see the new scheme of national and state level. Where they can click, will be providing national and state level welfare scheme. Customer need to register on a web portal. They can see the national and state level scheme. System required minimum hardware requirement in 2 GB RAM and processor is Intel AMD and M1 chip. Minimum software requirement. Operating system, any operating system we can use in your project application. Open Opera browser, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, etc. Language is used front page, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and broadcast. HTML is used to create a login page. And backend is Java server page. Database is MySQL. Next slide is
My name is Anshul. Conclusion. It will benefit those people we are awareness for welfare schemes and most important we are every state person can see the national schemes and state schemes. Future scopes, they are future schemes. The ecosystems will be shifted to worldwide as we get the response for our country. It will focus on user interface and user experience and user interface for user interface. Reference: Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana by Google search and Atal Pension Yojana by Google search. Atal Nirbhar Yojana by Google search. Thank you.
रेफरेंसेस की स्लाइड कभी ऐसे नहीं डालना, ठीक है? अगर तुमने प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना जो लिंक की है उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन निकाली है तो बाहर में जो एड्रेस आता है ना पूरा HTTP वाला वो URL एड्रेस एक्जैक्टली URL एड्रेस ही डालना रेफरेंसेस में, ठीक है? अगर कोई बुक्स दे रहे हैं तो बुक्स को रेफरेंस में डालने के लिए डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट आता है तो वो फॉर्मेट यूज करना है।
का आता है, साइट्स आता है इसका।
हाँ
अटल पेंशन योजना का अलग है,
हाँ साइट है ना, वो
आत्मनिर्भर का अलग है।
साइट URL डालना, ठीक है। अभी और वापस जाओ लिटरेचर सर्वे पे, ठीक है। एक मिनट, लिटरेचर सर्वे पे देखो तुमने ईयर्स देखो उसके 2007, 8, 9, 10, फिर 10 के बाद में इस पे काम ही नहीं हुआ है क्या? हुआ है ना, एग्जैक्टली। अभी कौन सा ईयर शुरू है? 2022, तो मतलब गैप कितनी बढ़ गई है ना। अगर मैं 2010 का जो रिसर्च है उस पे बेस्ड अगर कोई रिसर्च कर रही हूँ तो क्या वो न्यू रहेगा, है ना। 10 साल में तो उसका नेक्स्ट वर्जन आ भी गया रहेगा ना। जैसे अगर मैं ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की बात कर रही हूँ तो 2 साल पहले जो चेंजेस है, तो लिटरेचर रिव्यू जब हम लोग कर रहे हैं तो रिसेंट करना मीन्स 2 इयर्स बैक वाले। अभी कैसे 22 चल रहे ना, वो 18, 17, 18 से जो भी रिव्यूज आएंगे वो लेना, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट टाइम जब एक्सप्लेन करते हो तो लिटरेचर रिव्यू और रेफरेंसेस की साइड पे देखो अपडेशन की, ठीक है। अच्छा था।
That was quite a good project which was to aware the society about the government schemes.
Group number 4 is available. Yes.
बेटा आप भी चेयर ले लो, आप भी पीछे बैठ जाया करो, ठीक है।
I would like to call group number 4 to present their presentation. Good afternoon to all, respected faculties and students. So our topic is design of smart calculator. We are from CO 6th semester and our group is 4th group. And team members are Manita Jai, Gopalika Sate, Vikas Ninave, Prachi Kalvate and Karan Group. And our guide is Professor Karishma Karande ma'am. Next will be said by Gopalika.
एक कोई तो भी वहाँ पे बैठ जाओ, स्लाइड्स।
Program outcome, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, individual and teamwork, communication, lifelong learning, and experiment and practice. Content, abstract, introduction, aim and objectives, problem statement, literature survey, proposed methodology, system requirement, and conclusion. Abstract. This work was centered for design and implementation of a smart calculator. The main motive of this project to design a smart calculator for user. This work also focus on number and arithmetic operation. ये जो focus means this work also focus on number and arithmetic operation. जो हम वर्क कर रहे हैं इस पे फोकस है, नंबर एंड अरिथमेटिक्स पे फोकस कर रहे हैं। अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस लाइक एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन और क्यूब रूट, स्क्वायर रूट वगैरह, जस्ट लाइक अ कैलसी। नंबर्स में आते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 एंड 0। Interestingly, the end result of smart calculator system was its ability to process number and operators and provides a useful result. मीन्स जो भी यूज़र है इसको यूज़ करने वाले हैं तो उनका जो एंड है उनको जो बेटर रिजल्ट चाहिए वो मिलने चाहिए, इसलिए हम ये प्रोजेक्ट पे वर्क कर रहे हैं। Therefore, this project will help immensely in following ways. Next slide will be explained by Manjita Jain.
So, introduction. Ever since studies mathematical problems in the organization is not a simple one, that is to say, the process can be said to involve a lot of procedures or protocols
which ranges from insertion of figures, cottages, calculation, following numbers and different errors. So when we solve an equation, it will be big, then we take lot of time. So this is a problem. And by calculator, we get a medium to solve any problems in a short amount of time. And however, because of this, there is a need to accomplish an extensive research to discover the entrances involved in the entire problem. So for solving this problem, we have calculators. So we have to make a research on this so that we can make this solution for the user. So the research decided to embark on this design and implementation of smart scientific calculator. So it is understood that this is the reason we are trying to make a smart calculator, and this work is a research aimed at solving this problem. So it is understood. And when this system acknowledges, it would be received solving various calculations and sophisticated mathematical problems. So when our project will be ready, so it will be able to solve above problems. Next slide. Aim and objectives will be set by Francis Allen. To make a smart user and calculator to user. हमारा aim है smart calculator. Objective of this project is to minimize work of all humans, which is the missing challenge. ह्यूमन्स को आसान जाता है कैल्सी से कोई वर्क करने के लिए
इसको बताओ, नहीं तो ये बात ही कर रहे हैं ना।
इसलिए हम कैल्सी का यूज करते हैं. यूजर वर्किंग ऑन द इक्वेशंस वुड बी significantly shorted by using the smart calculator. और इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए हम कैल्सी का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि हमारी क्लास में जितना टाइम जाता है इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए कैल्सी के हेल्प से हम वो इक्वेशन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं कम टाइम से, अपना टाइम हो जाता है.